Yeah, no, it was nice. It was friendly. It was warm. You know, seeing the people in the offices and some of the people from the staff. It was real good. Seeing the locker room.
This is the locker room.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, I like this.
Well, it's fun too. You know, this is my new home, and I love it. Feeling like it's a family already. It feels like home.
Are the Engabiats, the group of the fans of Basket Girona who make noise all the time?
Like
They're here.
Okay. Yeah, the message really was that this is a club with a lot of ambition. You know, a lot of dreams, like high goals. You know, our standard is high. You know, we all want to win. We all competitors.
You like the gym?
Yeah, I like it. It's a little old school, you know. The players that they bringing in want to win. They have good character. They're good people first. You know, he told me more about like the tactical side, you know, but that's for a different video.
This gonna be your favorite room of the gym? Hey, how you doing? Coming, yes.
Thank you. How was the trip, baby?
It was good, man. Flight was
Yes.
easy, smooth.
It's great to have you here.
Thank you, man. I'm happy to be here, man.
Assistant coach. Nicky. Nice to meet you, man. Assistant coach. Albert.
Nice to meet you.
Albert has the chef on the roof. Retired. Yes.
The fucking legend.
Right.
No, he was just saying that, you know, he wants to make a family here, and we want to win. You know, we want to play good basketball and have a lot of success.